Stop paying for 7 different marketing tools. I just replaced my entire stack with one. Most businesses burn $500+ monthly on Canva, Hootsuite, Jasper, or whatever else. That's not efficiency. That's hemorrhaging cash. Here's what actually works. GravityWrite. One tool, everything included. First, the visuals. Forget hiring designers or wrestling with Photoshop. Type what you want, pick a template, done. Product shots, social posts, ad creatives, all generated in seconds. Need an edit? Just tell it what to change. No back and forth emails, no delays, just results. Then the scheduling. Built-in social posting, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, all automated. One click, posted everywhere. Now here's where it gets wild. Take that image you just made, turn it into a video instantly. Or better, upload your product, get UGC ads.
Lately my hair's been super weak, so I tried Tanvi Essentials Keshabala oil.
360-degree spins, virtual try-ons. VFX level content from a JPEG. Your competitors paying influencers $2,000 per video, and you're making them in minutes. Finally, the blog writer. Not that ChatGPT garbage that sounds like a robot wrote it. Real research, real sources, real links. 1,500+ words that actually rank. Plus built-in humanization that beats AI detectors. Because getting flagged is amateur. Here's the math. Your current stack is $500 per month minimum. This one tool, one login, fraction of the cost. Right now there's a limited deal, and when it's gone, you're back to your expensive stack. So come in Gravity or check out the link below. Stop collecting subscriptions and start shipping content.